Once you've learned how to enter content, setting up your blog will be a breeze. It's the exact same process. I'll run you through a page briefly to get the hang of it again, and then you can set up your blog posts easily. You'll start off in your blog page library, and then if you need to add or remove pages, you can do that here. Otherwise, hover over the page you want to work with and click on Edit. Make sure you're in visual mode, not text mode, and then you can begin copying and pasting your blog content into Webweeble. Once you've got a paragraph in there, go ahead and highlight it and click on the P button to give it its paragraph coding. And then let's do that for each paragraph in your blog. Make sure that you hit enter a couple of times after each paragraph before entering the next one. You should still have keywords and header tags in your blog, so we'll go ahead and highlight those and give them their appropriate code as well. The keyword, which is the page title, gets the first bold option, the B button, and the first paragraph title with the keyword in it gets the H2 button, whereas the next would get the H3 button, and so on. If you want to make any other text bold throughout the blog, simply highlight it and use the B2 button to make it bold without giving it special emphasis, as only the keyword gets that, and only in the first and last sentences. So all you'll need to do to get your blog set up properly is look out to make sure you give every single paragraph, whether it's 1 line or 20 lines, its correct code. And if you want anything formatted differently, like bullets or numbered lists, just highlight that text and click the right button. If you'd like to add a link to another blog or another page or site, just highlight the word or words that you want linked and then click this link icon here. You can select which of your pages you want it linked to, or type in another URL right here. Make sure the title matches the page title that you're linking to, and then if you want the window to open in a new tab, check this box and then save it. To add an image to your blog, just put your cursor where you'd like the image to display, and then click the Add Media button that's above the Paragraph button. Click on the image you'd like to see there, and then set the attachment display settings to your desired display settings. You have the option to align it to the left, right, or center. You can also choose to make your image a link, though we don't recommend it. Then select the size you'd like your image to display, and remember that you can't resize it to be larger, only smaller. An image that's between 260 to 280 pixels wide will usually display best across all devices, including mobile devices, and we recommend using an image that is 260 pixels by 173 pixels. Once you're happy with your settings, click Insert into Page and your image will be added. To change your settings again later, you can click on the image in the content area and you'll have the option to edit it or change its alignment. Once you've made your changes, go ahead and click on Update to save the page, and then watch the video on adding a blog on your site to put it up.